currently in Cebu and staying at the Henry Hotel. What's really amazing is you can get adjusted and also visit the dentist. I just got an amazing my teeth cleaned from this doctor here.
Hello.
This is Dr. Marissa in Cebu. So if you guys are in Cebu, you got to visit her, get your teeth cleaned.
Yeah.
Feel great, nice and shiny now. It's already on. Okay.
Yay!
So we are at Dr. Marissa's clinic in Cebu. I just got my teeth cleaned, and she's been overdue for an adjustment. So we're gonna do an impromptu adjustment right here in her clinic. I do have this table, but we'll see what we can do. We may not need it, but so I do similar work to other chiropractors, but I also check for a lot of brain function. Okay. So we're gonna check the brain really quick. Tender? Okay.
It's painful. It's
Scale
painful.
of 1 to 10?
10.
Okay, how about here?
8.
Okay.
6.
It's okay.
5.
It's okay. Okay, so mostly out here. Okay. So tell me if this is tender here.
It's painful.
What is that? 10? 9?
9.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
10.
So that's telling me your immune system's under attack, okay? So we need to help you with that. So you might be fighting a cold, but okay. So that's one, and we'll check the neck. Ooh, very tight here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. And this is tight.
Yes, very thin.
Maybe you can come around this way.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
You're really tight on the right, the whole right side. Okay. So let's see.
I trust you.
Hold this arm up here, push up towards the ceiling. Push up, push up.
Up.
Yeah, I'm going to push down. I want you to hold it up, okay? Don't let me push down. Okay, good. Lean your head back as far as you can and push up. Okay, see how weak it gets? Okay, so that's the brachial plexus. So those are the nerves that come from the neck up into the arms. Okay, so
If off now?
we want to make sure that the nerves are sending the signals properly. So a lot of times from just bringing over like this, you're compressing your neck. Okay, so I'm gonna have you stand up. I'm gonna do a little release here. So bring your head forward, arms out to the side, interlock your fingers on top of mine. And you're gonna come back, bring your elbows together and squeeze tight, real tight. Squeeze, squeeze.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah.
Whew.
Okay, so we just opened up the brachial plexus. So now if we test her here, hold this up, push. Lean your head back as far as you can. Push up here. And you see, much stronger.
Yeah.
Okay. So that was a big release.
Exactly. I can breathe properly.
Good. So now we're gonna go for ribs because that's a little tender.
Ow.
Okay. So arms out to the side. So I'm gonna contact here. Is that okay? Okay. So we're gonna come in right from the front. Once you drop your arms, take a deep breath in, all the way up.
Oh.
Good.
Crack joke.
Yeah, so you got a rib there, okay? Very deep, but now it's going to release a lot of tension here. This already feels better.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're going to do AC joint. So hold this arm
What's
up.
AC?
It's the acromioclavicular joint. Push up here. Push up to the seat. Shrug the shoulder up, like that. Push up here. And you see it gets a little weak. So relax. We're going to just do a little release here.
Oh.
Nice.
I'm so happy right now.
Alright.
Still
So
tense.
far, so good.
Yeah.
Good.
But the first time you felt it was really tight, right?
Yes. Now, good. This is actually a lot better. Okay. Have a seat. And hold this up. Push up towards the ceiling. Good. Lean your ear to your shoulder. Push up towards the ceiling. Okay. So you have some compression here and lateral bending. Yeah, right here. Okay, so just let your head fall. Right there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. Much better. Bring your head to that side. Hold this up. Push up. Good. Stand up.
Hello?
Stand up. Stand up.
I-off na?
All right. more, and then you
Oh,
also
nakoy
sit
diha
up a
push.
little bit.
Nakoy panaog.
Yeah. She'll be
Sige,
with you
sige.
soon. She's just getting a little chiropractic treatment here.
Where am I going?
Fine.
Here. Hand right here. Hand right here.
Pagod ang
Keep your hands flat.
electrical tape
Alright, take a deep breath in. All the way.
sa back.
Nice. Good.
Okay.
Push up here. Good. So I'm gonna check your energy.
Nasa
So
box.
Push up here. Push. Yeah, so now
Yeah.
energy's huge.
Yeah.
Alright. You're all set.
Oh my god, thank you, James. It's good. Go ahead.